going. It's going. Huh? Putting this on. Alright, now I'm good. Yep. Huh? Yeah, we can. Alright, let's do this. Yeah. You got this. You're rolling now. Yeah. Can hear everything you say. Come here, manatee. No, here it is. It's right here in front of me. I'm right on it. Yeah. Hold on. Yeah. Where? Yeah. Oh, I see. Yes, something. That's what all those people are looking at. It was right below me, honey. I mean, I was right on top of it. I gotta find him again. Oh, he's right here, honey. Right beside you. Yep. Did you see it? Good?
Good enough.
There, look, there's more out there. Golly, there's two of them. Come on, follow me. Oh, Lord, it's right. It's coming to you again.
Oh, shit.
It's coming to you. I know, it's playing with us. Is it going? Where'd he go? Yep. Just chilling right there, isn't he?
Right under me.
Uh-huh. I got the tail side on mine. He's coming up. He's coming up, honey. I'm right on top of him.
Don't you do that, it's illegal.
I know. Coming to you again. Oh, he's coming back this way. You see him, babe? No, watch him. He's coming up right here. Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. There's another one behind him.
That's a good one. He came up right side up that time.
Uh-huh. There's another one behind it. See it? Look at those birds on.
Coming up. Look, 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 look.
I see it. Two of them right up.
gets unamazing.
It won't. Oh, here it comes, honey. It's coming up. I waited it out. Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. That's what I wanted. That was it, honey. That was it. He's right to your... Here he comes. He's coming up now.
Get it.
I'm on his tail. Big, huh?
Yeah.
Boy, that thing is huge, Samantha.
I'm shocked at how big they are.
Well, I got a great view of its tail.
But they're not all...
Did you hear me?
Yeah.
That's pretty awesome right there. This one's coming up.
See it.
This one is coming right in front of you. See it? Watch the tail. You see the tail?
See it. I know, it's just hanging.
That was a tail
Of what?
of manatee.
You think?
Yes, I saw it. Did you hear the power of that thing?
Well, that's what I heard before that one.
No, it's a dolphin.
What?
Look, two.
Are you sure it's not a shark?
No, it's two dolphins. I saw them.
What?
Yes,
The
two.
baby.
Is that the baby?
The baby.
Look, here they come.
You're gonna kill it.
No, they're not. Stay. Move. Don't move. Don't move. They're coming this way, babe.
Honey.
Look, 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 look. Look, look, they're eating. Oh, no, they're fishing.
Look at that. It's doing its thing.
Yes,
Look at the fish up.
yes.
There's Manatees.
Look at them. They're coming towards me. Yep, look, they're coming this way, honey.
Well, I don't want to be in the middle of a fish fight. Where'd they go?
On both sides of me.
I don't see them yet. No, they're over here. Did you get that on camera?
I better have.
That was one of the most amazing things.
There they are, right over there. And the manatee right behind you. Look, behind you, behind you. Directly behind you. Still up.
Yeah.
Look at the dolphin. There it goes.
How can I look at one?
I know, it's just hanging.
What's it doing?
I don't know. Dolphin. Manatee.
Look at it. Oh my god. Did you see it?
This is a little baby.
Is it a baby?
This is a little baby, honey. You need to come see that one.
I'm watching. not sure which is more incredible.
Hey, buddy, are you still here?
Baby. There goes one.
Look right in front of me, babe.
Yeah, I see that one. We saw dolphins.
Look.
They're everywhere.
They are everywhere.
Those buzzards are disconcerting.
Look at them all.
That's the baby, I think.
Which one?
See it?
Which one?
It is. Right there sticking up. See it?
Yeah, maybe. Oh, no, there's two noses
Where?
that just came up this way, I believe. I'm going over that way. Very gently going over that way. Okay?
Behind me. Is that baby?
I'm trying to see.
They're just everywhere right there.
They are. I don't think that's a baby. Hey, hey. Well, I hope I got that shot.
I think that one likes you. I think Manatee 2, the movie.
Oh, shit.
Is it under you?
There's two. Oh, shit.
There's one to your right.
Look,
Left.
coming towards you.
I know.
Do you see them?
Yes. How could I miss it? It's an elephant going by. One. It's
I
weird.
don't know if it's propeller.
Oh, hey. Now I'm getting scared.
Oh, Lord, it's right here, honey.
Is it gonna knock you over?
No, look.
Oh. Don't hurt me. Did you feel snot?
I almost felt some snottage.
You thought it was a manatee, but it's snot.
Yes.
That was great. You take your camp.
I like this one. It's our friend,
Right.
Frank.
I think it's sleeping.
Yes, it's coming back up though. Shortly. I don't want to get on top of you, Frank. Saying I don't want to get on top of him. Uh-oh, here he comes. Hey, buddy. I literally got Frank snot on me. Here he comes up again.
He's trying to do it on purpose.
Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy.
I think he's blowing you on purpose.
He's turning towards you now. Look at, come over here. Here he comes.
Boo.
Boo! Hey, buddy. Got one right behind you looking at you. Come,
Everywhere.
come over here. Hey.
That one's huge. That's got the 2 scars on it.
You need to, he's coming back up again. Or no, yeah, he is. Look. Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. Here it comes back up again. Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. Can you hear? He went way down then. Huh? I like it here. You hear me? I like it here. I like it here.
You're right.
We need some kayaks. What do you think?
This was pretty comfortable.
It is.